Hey girl, so we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. You already know we're back with another Miracle Knot install using EayonHair. I'm using their feather crochet water wave hair and I am installing 18 inches today. So what you see me doing here is just crocheting the end of the braid. I am going to just take that needle through the braid and just pull the crochet pieces through and just braid the crochet piece into my hair all the way to the bottom. You can also twist it to the bottom, but I feel like the braid is a little bit more secure when you braid it in. Especially if you're planning on doing any type of updos or any type of maintenance or brushing your hair. Braiding the crochet piece inside of the braid keeps the crochet pieces from slipping out, but that is just my personal preference. If you want to twist it in, then you can. And this is how that braid should look once you're finished braiding that piece into the hair. Now we're just going to go ahead and add those crochet pieces to the braid. We're just going to take the needle and pull the hair through and just pull the hair through the loop at the end of the crochet hair. So what I'm doing is the knot method. If you have really fine hair, I would not suggest for you to do the knot method. You can literally just pull the crochet hair through your braid and leave it how it is. The hair would still be secure. But if you do plan on leaving this hair in for a long period of time, I would suggest knotting the hair. You don't have to double knot it. You can literally just knot it one time like you see me doing here. And I am also using 4 pieces on each braid to give my hair a full look. I also got 5 packs of this water wave hair and I will be using all 5 packs today. So I am going to use 4 pieces on each braid from the back to the middle of my head, and then once we get to the top, we're going to add 5 pieces to each braid to give it that really full look. And this is how my hair is looking after the first pack has been installed. Very full, very thick, what I love to see. And I'm still learning like a better flow when installing Miracle Knots. I think the next time what I'm going to do is start installing the hair at the top first and then add the hair towards the back, because I did notice that I didn't have as many pieces as I wanted for the top of my head. So I had to grab some pieces from the back and put it at the front to give my hair the look that I was going for. It took me a total of 4 hours to complete this install. It took me 2 hours to part and plait my hair and another 2 hours to crochet the pieces in the braid. I feel like if I didn't take as many breaks as I did, I probably would have got through this install pretty quick. And if you see me looking down, I am also watching a Netflix show, so I feel like that played a part into it too. And honestly, I feel like with this type of install, you need to listen to some type of podcast, watch a show, watch a YouTube, anything to keep you sane, because this process does take a little bit of time and a lot of patience. And obviously, I do not mind installing these Miracle Knots because this has been my 4th install. Not that I think about it, I've literally been installing Miracle Knots since April. Like, it has literally been a Miracle Knot summer for me. Since my big chop, I've been really intentional about taking care of my natural hair because I really want my hair to grow back really healthy and thick. And this has been one of the best protective styles that I've been keeping in rotation. I absolutely love this hairstyle because I'm protecting my hair and I'm also able to switch it up and add a little bit of style to it. I've also been seeing a lot of girls add these crochet pieces to their mini twists and locks. So if you want to switch it up and add a little bit more, pizzazz to your hair, go ahead and get you some Miracle Knots. It's really cute. Also, one more thing that I want to point out is I see that hairstylists is now offering pre-parting services. So if you don't know how to part your hair and braid your hair down, you can actually go to a braiding shop or find a hairstylist who would just do the parts for you. So that way when you get home, all you have to do is just add the crochet pieces, which is really easy. So as you see, I've already kind of braided the top of my head, but I'm going back in to add those pieces that I grabbed from the back to the top of my hair because I want my hair to be really full in the front. I don't really care too much about the back. I just want that front part to be really full, and I want it to shape my face really well because I have a round face and I like big hair. And I think I told you guys this in my last video. The bigger the hair, the better. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going back in and adding those pieces. And taking out the Miracle Knot is just as easy as putting it in. All you have to do is just grab one piece of the Miracle Knot and pull it out of the knot. I wish I can give you guys a better view of how it looks, but I just want to let you know if you are ever in a situation like this, I promise you it will not be hard to remove the knot from the braid. And we are all done with this install. This is the final look. Do you guys see that fullness that I was talking about in the front of my head? Exactly what I was looking for. So this is my hair on day one. Very cutesy. I like the middle part. I also love the fact that you can do so many different styles with this hair, which I will show you guys in the upcoming clips. But I am absolutely in love with this hair. Now, I did not use any products on this hair. I did not wet the hair. I kept it at its natural state because me personally, I love the perfect coil look. I don't know what the girls be talking about, but I like this curl pattern. It's so gorgeous. This hair is so soft, so easy to comb through. You guys see me running my fingers through the hair with no problem. It's so pretty. And this is my hair on day two. I decided to play around with it and do a few different styles. So I'm going to show you guys the different styles that I decided to do with this hair install. So sis, let's go ahead and get into these looks.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when it's cup hands, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the 3 block stainers, and we got adopted by some free war strangers. You know what it means.
All specs and details will be left in the description box below. And if you have any questions about the install or this hair, please leave it in the comment section below. If you love this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you want to be a part of the community, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you new faces. I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.